Goals on the map, can't lose the direction. Blueprint sight, pure perfection. Tyson's alchemy, showing the way. Turning thoughts to gold, repave the day. Head in this world, we ain't got no traction. Without a plan, just caught in distraction. Dreams ain't nothing if you're floating the breeze. Gotta sail straight, no getting seized.
Welcome back to Tyson's Alchemy. In today's lesson, it's about the sun burning your eyeballs off. No. Today's lesson is about planning, having a destination. If you were on a ship, but you had no destination, you didn't know where you were going, you would just sail into the abyss. You always need to have a general direction. Now, I will caveat and say this, okay? Sometimes when you're young, you don't know exactly what you want. If that is the case, just do actions of discipline. So eat healthy, don't be watching anything you shouldn't be watching, get to the gym, be good to the people around you, do the basics, yeah? But if you are older than school age, so you're a man and you need to get a plan in action, okay? You need to have a destination in mind. You need to know what house you want, you need to know what car you want, you need to know what business you want, you need to know what the type of woman that you'd want. Otherwise you're just going to blow in the wind of life and you're going to end up with whatever life deals you. And unfortunately for you, sometimes life does not deal you with the best possible card, okay? You have to deal with what you've been dealt, but if you have a plan or a destination, you might be able to work towards something, yes? If you're driving a ship, it's going to blow in the sea, end up lost, okay? If you have an idea, you've got your compass, you've got your map, and you know where you're going, you can go safely into the harbour where all the gold is. Okay? Most people don't have a plan, don't have a destination. They will end up lost. Don't be like most people, or even if it's a short-term plan, even if you don't know what you want to do when you're 50, that's fine, that's very normal. But you need to have an idea where you want to be in the next few years at least. And try and be really specific about it. Now, the way you can approach this with self-hypnosis is to find characters that relate to those goals that you have. Okay, so if you're into boxing or you're into fighting right now and you want to have a professional fight in the near future, then you can use characters that have done that. You can use Conor McGregor, for example. Yep. If your goal is to have money in the near future, a certain amount of money, so get really specific, I want to earn 10k, then go look at someone who makes that type of money already. Yeah, and utilize them as part of your self-hypnosis work, okay? Put a plan in action. Doesn't need to be step by step. You don't need to know exactly how to do it, but have a goal, have a destination, reverse engineer it. You need to have something you're working towards, otherwise you'll just blow into the abyss, okay? Remember, self-hypnosis is the key, and get your plan in action, get a goal. Speak soon.
No more wasting days on indecision. Clear the fog, crystal vision. Tyson preach, turning lead to shine. Follow the signs, gotta go mine.